Hello, this video is on functions. Specifically, it's on finding the point of intersection of two graphs, as shown here in the syllabus. To find the point or points of intersection of graphs, we can draw the graphs on the calculator and then use the technology of the calculator to locate the points. In this question, we're asked to sketch the graphs of the two functions, and then we're asked to find the coordinate of the point of intersection of the two graphs. To draw the graphs on the calculator, from the main menu, select Graph. Typing in the equation of the first function f into y1, so that's 2, pressing the x variable button, and then plus 3.5. Pressing execute to enter the equation. And type in the equation of the second function, g, into y2. So that's 0.5, again pressing the x variable button, and plus 7. Again pressing execute to enter the equation. Pressing shift and then F3 for view window, we can set up a standard window. Pressing F3 for standard sets an X scale from -10 to 10 and a Y scale from -10 to 10, as shown. Pressing exit and then F6 to draw the graphs. So for part A, if we now make a neat sketch, labelling the functions clearly, as shown. In part B, to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two graphs, press F5 for G-solve and then F5 again for intersection. Writing down the point of intersection, the coordinates of the point of intersection are 2.33, 8.17, correct to 3 significant figures. In this question, we're asked to find the points of intersection of the two functions given. So if we begin again by drawing both graphs on the calculator, so press exit, and scroll up and press delete, F1 to confirm the deletion, and do the same for Y1, F2 to delete and F1 to confirm. Typing in the function f into Y1, so pressing the x variable button and then the squared button, plus 2 and the x variable button again, subtract 4. Pressing execute to enter that function and doing the same for the function g into y2, so that's 2, pressing the x variable button and then take away 1, pressing execute to enter that, and pressing F6 to draw the graphs. Making a neat simple sketch as your method. To find the first point of intersection, press F5 for G-solve and F5 again for an intersection. So the first point of intersection is the point -1.73, -4.46, correct to 3 significant figures. To find the second point of intersection, simply press the right cursor, and the calculator will jump to the second point of intersection, as shown. So the points of intersection of the two functions are -1.73, -4.46, and 1.73, 2.46. In this question, we're asked to find how long it will take Jasanti to save enough money to buy the car. if we begin by drawing the graphs of both functions on the calculator. Pressing exit, scrolling up, and pressing F2 to delete the previous formula and F1 to confirm the deletion, and doing the same for Y1. Entering the price function P into Y1, so that's 8,500 multiplied by bracket 0.95 and close bracket raised to the power of t, and we use the x variable button. Press and execute to enter that equation, and then entering the savings function s into y2. So that's 400. Pressing the x variable button for t plus 2000. Press and execute to enter that equation. Pressing F6 to draw the graphs of the functions. You see that the graphs are not yet visible, as they are off the screen. If we press F2 for zoom, followed by F5 for auto, we see that the graphs are now visible. Again, it's important that you make a neat, simple sketch as part of your method. Looking at the graphs, we can see that the price of the car is slowly decreasing, shown by the blue curve, and Josanti's savings are steadily increasing, as shown by the red line. Josanti will have enough money to buy the car when her savings equals the price of the car, in other words, at the point of the intersection of the graphs. So pressing F5 for Gsolve and F5 again for an intersection, we see that the graphs intersect when x, or t in our case, is equal to 8.64. So it will take Josanti 8.64 months to save enough money to buy the car.